All right, how's it going, everyone? It's your boy Sam G, and we are at Dolores Park on this beautiful day, and I'm going to be basically just doing a very quick test of the Zoom H1 handy recorder with a lavalier mic. And I did a couple of videos of this in my room, and I felt like it was pretty boring because my room's not very loud anyway, so I wanted to take it out to a very loud, very crazy park and see how it sounds. And pretty much just let you be the judge of it. All right, we're gonna go walk and do a walking test, see how the audio sounds. And yeah, let's go for it. I feel like a movie star. I got my boy Michael behind the camera. We got Grandpa Piercy speaking to my chest and my titties, speaking to the titties.
How's it going, YouTube?
Always repping PBR all day, every day. It's literally such a nice day out. It is wild. And I don't know if you can see my butt, but I think it's completely wet right now. I can feel it big time. So I have no idea how the audio sounds. I'm assuming it sounds just fine because I'm looking at my Zoom audio levels. Zoom, and it looks pretty good. It looks like I'm maybe talking a little too loud, so I might want to lower the volume a little bit. That looks a little bit better. And now, hopefully what the purpose of this is that it sounds like I'm like in like a studio talking by myself during this crazy commotion on this beautiful day in the Bay. And also I'm going to be putting in clips of the on-camera audio. We're shooting with the H4 with a Sigma 18 to 35. And we have a Dead Cat and Rode mic, right? All right, cool. So I'm gonna be kind of splicing the audio in between the two of us. We got his polarizer filter on there as well, first time using it, so he's excited about it. All right, so it's a beautiful day. I have my PBR shirt, so I'm gonna crack open a beer. I'm gonna have Michael, and then when Brandon returns, ask me some weird questions just to test the audio, because that's literally all this video is gonna be about. This recorder costed me $80 on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. I bought the lavalier mic for $27 and I forgot that you needed a sound recorder for it. So I had the lavalier for about 3 months before I decided to purchase this thing. And I don't know why, because it's only 80 bucks, but here we are now. Total cost was $107 bucks. But you can get a lavalier mic for like 10 bucks. That's it, you're good. Honestly, I just was kind of overhearing just bad audio. I filmed like a review, you can see it right here, of an 18 to 105 G Master lens, and everything looked great except the audio sounded terrible, so I was like, screw this. Hey Brandon, whatever you'd like, my friend. Ask me anything.
So what's your favorite texture?
Ooh, I like things that are kind of rough, but not like super rough, if that makes sense. Just like, you know, that feels a little firm.
Okay, so like grip tape.
Yeah, I like that stuff.
Who was right, Ross or Rachel?
I gotta say Rachel.
You think Rachel was right?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to elaborate on that one a little bit?
Yeah, I have to say Rachel was right because they were on a break and then Ross literally slept with someone that night. That's kind of effed up, I'll be real.
I'm sorry, I don't think I can do this interview. Have you ever pissed your pants? When was the last time you pissed your pants?
Actually, the last time, I know this may sound like kind of lame, but it was, I was 8 years old, I was in class, and I had to pee so bad and my teacher would not let me leave. Literally, she would not let me leave at all. And I was like, you know what, like I can't do it anymore, and I could just kind of piss my pants in class. I think I was in 2nd or 1st grade.
So did your teacher learn their lesson?
No, no one found out. Literally no one found out. I just like held it I didn't say a word for the whole day.
What's your favorite Disneyland ride?
Probably Space Mountain.
Yeah.
I love Space Mountain. Or one of the super like lame kid rides that you don't have to wait in line at all, so you just keep doing it over and over again. But I'm more of a Universal Studios guy. More of Universal Studios.
Lick a homeless man's foot.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for weekly videos. And I like this. Check it out in the description below. You got people walking next to me. It's great. Cringeworthy. Let's go. Peace.